Hi, beautiful people. This is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. Let's see how the month of December will unfold for fire signs. As far as their relationship are concerned, some may be going through some court cases. So, if that is the condition, justice will be received to you if you are fair enough. And whereas your career is concerned, I feel things would be very good, and lot of opportunities related to work may come your way. And as far as your finances are concerned, there will be opportunities coming your way where you can actually enhance your finances. Maybe certain options might be coming your way, so that can help you to enhance your finances. So just keep moving ahead and see the best options that are available to you. And I see a very good month related to career. Hi, beautiful people. This is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. Let's see how the month of December will unfold for air sign related to their personal life. I think so. Things will be very good in your relationship and in your personal life, and things will be in a very abundant form. As far as your career is concerned, I think so. Things will be good career wise also. Definitely, you need to. Take hold of whatever things you are doing career wise, and you have to play the main role in the career you are into. And as far as your finances are concerned, at this point of time, you may be confused where to invest your money so you can attract more prosperity. Just try to analyze whatever options are there and go. Hi, beautiful people. This is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. Let's see how the month of December will unfold for water sign. As far as your personal life is concerned, there might be situation where you may feel stuck, or you may feel how much time and energies you are putting into your personal relationship. You are not getting that much in return. But the advice over here is don't give up. Things will get better in the coming times. And as far as your career is concerned, I think so you are very you'll be very confused at this point of time, and there might be situation that can make you negative, and that can actually affect your career in the month of December. And whereas your finances are concerned, finances can be will be good, and definitely if you make investment in places that can yield you good results. So basically the advice over here is that to invest wisely. Hi, beautiful people. This is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. Let's see how the month of December will unfold for Earth sign. As far as your personal relationships are concerned, I think so. At times, and or in some relationship where you feel that injustice was done and justice was not received, I think so. If you were fair enough, you will definitely receive the justice or what was required in the relationship. As far as your career is concerned, I see your career booming and growing in the month of December. And as far as your finances are concerned, in the month of December, you need to be a little careful while you are where you're putting your finances, or where you investing your money. Just and it is also an advice to you can definitely put your money into public investments, and that will help you to get good results.